Welcome to Tech Simplicity's What the F*** series, where we break down complex computer topics in an easy to understand way and as fast as possible to help you grow your skill set as a computer enthusiast or a technician. What's going on, everyone? In today's video, we will be discussing RAM, which stands for Random Access Memory. That said, RAM is one of the most critical hardware components in determining your computer's performance output. RAM gives programs a place to store and access data on a short-term basis. It has the ability to read and write data on your computer almost instantly, which allows your real-time activities to operate smoothly. On that note, the more computer applications your system has running at one time, the more RAM you'll need. The speed and performance of your computer is directly correlated to the amount of RAM that you have installed. If your system is lacking in the RAM department, it can be slow and sluggish. But opposite of this, you can go overboard and install too much RAM with little real-world noticeability or benefit. While this information is great, what does RAM actually do? RAM allows your computer to carry out everyday tasks, such as loading programs, browsing the internet, playing games, etc. RAM also allows you to switch quickly among these tasks, remembering where you were in one task when you switch to another task. One way to think about it is that RAM is like your kitchen table. It allows you a large space to work on a variety of different projects, and the bigger your table is,
more wine, more women, more table.
The more room you have for paper, folder, pens, gadgets, maybe even the occasional snack. You can quickly and easily access everything without having to muddle through a mountain of things. And the final piece of information to note about RAM is that it's volatile, meaning RAM runs perfectly fine and allows for everything discussed prior to this point as long as the computer is up and running. However, once the computer is powered down or rebooted, the RAM in your system will flush itself, and when you load back into the operating system, you start fresh again. That said, this is a breakdown of what RAM is and what it does within your computer. There are many more details that can be learned about RAM, however, this is a very concise breakdown of RAM and its primary purpose. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.